You're going to need 3 accounts to start trading with the roadmap from Miami Trade House. The first one is going to be the roadmap from Miami Trade House, and the second one is going to be TradingView, and the third one is going to be IQSend, which is your actual broker. And you can there's multiple brokers out there, but we tend to use IQSend because we can trade in cents. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to miamitradehouse.com. So let's type in here www.miamitradehouse.com. So it'll take you here, and what you want to do is you can click on Start Compounding or Log In, and it will take you to the registration page. I'm going to click on Start Compounding, and I'm going to click on Register. Come here, and you put in a username of your choice. I'm going to put MTH 001, Miami Trade House 001, John Jackson, Miami Trade House 001 at Gmail. So you're putting your email address here, and you continue 788989. Then you can put a put in your password here, confirm your password, and then you want to agree to the term and condition here, and then click on register. Once you click on register, registration is successful. And here saying thank you for registering. Before you can log in, we need to activate your account by clicking the activation link in the email we just sent you. So what you do is you go to your email. Okay. Once you have clicked on the link and got it approved, once you click on the email and got it approved, so you go back and you're going to click on login. You're going to log in with your credentials, and you put in your password. Click on login. And here you come to the membership level, and it's 7 days free trial. So it's no cost now, but after 7 days, then it'll be just only $10 a month. And you click on select here, and you put in your information here. Once you're done, then you could just click on submit and check out, and you'll be able to get into the roadmap. So once you're done entering your information, and you're going to click on roadmap, and it'll bring you to this page. And basically here, you can put your name of what your roadmap is going to be called. You can call it anything you want. You can call it Money Train, and the investment amount you're going to do. So say I'm going to do $10, and it's going to be 1% of $10, which would be, it'll start off at 10 cents per trade, because 1% of $10 is 10 cents. I want to do 1,000 trades. And then my account is depending on what's in my actual broker account. So let's assume I have $500. I click on calculate now. And here you scroll down, and it'll tell you trade name, Money Train, investment amount is $10, 1% interest rate, 1,000 trades, and $500 in my actual broker account. And this will tell you the number of trades that you take, if win, lose, or push. And here are the columns. So this is how to set up the roadmap. And there's another video showing how to use the roadmap and explaining how it works. So the next account that you're going to need to set up is your TradingView. So you go to tradingview.com. So tradingview.com. Enter. This is TradingView here. So what you want to do, you want to get started. So you're going to click on get started. And just accept if you're getting all these add-on, accept. You don't have to pick a plan right now. You can, if you want to, you can, but you can use this for free. So we're going to use the free version. So we're going to not pay attention to this, and then we're going to click on chart. You'll sign up. It'll give you your information that you have to do. You can use your email, you can use your Google to sign up. So I'm going to use my Google. And let's do Miami Trade House 001. It's actually me to put a picture. I'm not going to put a picture here. So I like to continue. Opt out of the marketing emails. I don't want any spam. So now I'm in, right? So I see the M as my logo. And I'm going to, from here, you're going to click on chart. You go to chart. Once you click on chart, you're going to get this screen here. Click I got it here. So first thing you want to do is we're going to remove this volume indicator. This is an indicator. So we're going to close that and then remove that from the bottom there. And to your right, I want to clean this up. So on the watch list, you want to clean this up because we're not going to be using these. So I'm going to just click X, 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 X here. Remove the features here. X, 4X. Let's remove the word Forex. I'm going to just close all of these out. Close all those out. So this is clean, empty. And, well, we can add one. Add one first to use. Let's say USD JPY. Because we have to set up the indicator. So I'm going to use this here. Adding that here. You'll notice it added to the right. But I'm just using this as a reference so we can set up our indicator. So this is the currency we normally trade in, USD JPY. I'm going to come up here to the right. I'm going to change the day to 1 minute. So I change that to 1 minute. And my volume bar is back, right? So let's remove this indicator. I'm going to remove this indicator because with the free version, you're only allowed to have 3 indicators. All right. So I'm going to go here to candles and I'm going to pick the Hikanashi. Select that. What that does is it creates all smooth candles. If it's green, it's going up. If it's red, it's going down. You can see that, right? So these ads going to keep coming up because this is a free version. That's fine. So you see it, green candles going up, red candles going down, green candles going up. So you know which way the market is moving. So the first indicator that we're going to add is going to be called the Matty Pip. We're going to go to indicator here, and you're going to type in here. You're going to type in Matty, MATTY. So you see indicator Matty Pip strategy 2. Click on the star so you can add it to your favorite, and then we're going to click on Matty Pips. So I'm going to close this out and you can see all this stuff here, right? So what we want to do is we're going to adjust it. So we're going to go over here to settings. I'm going to go to Matty Pip. We're going to come over here to settings, click on settings, and you're going to click on styles. Once you click on style, these are the changes you're going to make. So candle body resistance level top, we're going to change this to red. And then we're going to make this 100% because we want it to be dark. And then the thickness of the line, we're going to make it all the way back here. We're going to make it that thick. Then we're going to go to candle body resistance level bottom. We're going to change this to green because that's going to be our support. We're going to make this 100% here. We're going to make this very thick, the last thickness. The EMA, we're going to click here and we're just going to make it dark and we're going to make it thick. Then we're going to do the next EMA, the red one. We're going to make it dark. We're going to make it thick, right? I'm going to keep going. We're going to skip the buy arrows and the sell arrow. We're going to skip this. The up entry arrow, I'm going to click on this green one. We're going to make it like 70%, around 76. You don't have to be exact, but around like 76 area, 70%. Then skipping the down for the up arrow, but the down entry arrow, we're going to select just the down one. I'm going to make that around like the same 76 or 70, whatever. It don't have to be on point. So I'm going to come down, plot, going to make this one just 100%. make it very thick. The next one, green, right? I'm gonna make it 100%. I'm gonna make it thick. So that one's thick here, and the directional projection, we're gonna remove the check mark here. Then plot here, we're gonna make this 100%. Then we're gonna make it thick. Then next plot here, the green one, we're gonna make it thick. We're gonna make it dark, 100%. Then we're gonna make it thick, right? And for the plot color 0, these pink or light purple, we're gonna change that to red. The top one's gonna be our resistance point, right? We're gonna make that 100%. Gonna make that thick. The bottom plot, right? I'm gonna make this green because that's gonna be our support. I'm gonna make this 100% dark. They're gonna make that thick. They're gonna come down here to EMA1. This is purple. Let's turn it to yellow. We like to use yellow for the EMA. This is gonna be our moving average. We're gonna use this as a moving average. So we're gonna put 100% here. I'm gonna change that to the thickness gonna be thick. Then we're gonna remove the plot here. Broad brands. Let's remove and let's plot here the other broad brands here. Let's take those out. Let's take that out. Take these. And we're going to keep the parabolic SARs. And we're going to change this to blue. And I'm going to make this dark. I'm going to make this pretty, like, not all the way thick here, but just a little bit here. You can see it right here, right? The little pluses, the stars. You know, if I can make it thinner, I like it like this. But you can use it up to your preference, whatever you like. I like, you can change it to whatever color you want. So, and I'm going to remove the plot background, and then I am going to go to input. Once I go to input, I'm going to look for a trend change EMA. I'm going to change this to 2. Then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to look for EMA 1, and I'm going to change this to 10. Then I'm going to come here. I'm going to save as default. Then I click OK. And this is how your Matty Pips look like now. So, and on a candle, you want to notice here, these lines, right? They look like they're behind the candle, right? So you want to right click on the candle. You're going to go to visual order and you're going to send the candle to the back. So now if you click on this map, anywhere on the map, you can see the actual EMA, which is that line that changes from red to green in front of your candle. And this yellow line that we created, which was EMA1, this is our moving average 10. So this is how you set up the Matty Pip. Let me close this ad. And then now we're going to add another indicator, which is going to be the MACD. So the MACD is MACD space 5. So this is the MACD 5N1 Pro Tool. So you're going to select the star to make it your favorite, and you're going to click on it. Click on it one time. And we're going to close this out. And close these ads. Here it is here. You want to click on this little minus sign so you can hide the panel that's below. You don't want to see this panel, so you click on that. And now we got to set this MACD up. So what we're going to do is go to settings here, and you're going to go to styles, right? And then the MACD, what you want to do is you want to change the MACD here, just the thickness, make it thick. They come here, the color 1, you want to just make this thick. That's the only thing you want to do here. The signal, same thing. You want to just make that thick. Then you want to come to the other yellow, make that thick. Then come down here, see over. You want to change the color 0 to green. And you want to just make that thick. Then you do the same thing for see under. You want to make this green. And you want to make it thick. And that's the only thing you have to do here. Then you come down here, you go save as default. Oops. Let me bring it back up. Come down here, you want to save as default. Save as default. And click OK. And then this is your MACD setup. Also, you want to add the stochastic RSI. So you're going to come here, STOCH. Here you go to stochastic RSI. You want to highlight this again to add it to your favorite. And then you click on it one time. Now it's here. Now we're going to go to the setting for the stochastic RSI. And we want to change the blue to green because we're trying to keep everything color coordinated. And you want to add, make your line just a little bit thicker so you can see it. And then here, this signal line, you want to make it red and just make it a little thicker. And then you want to come here, save as default, and click OK. So now you got your red. When your red on top is going down, your green on top is going up, right? And then here, same thing. Green on top is going up, red on the bottom going down. And we'll explain how this works on our live calls and our session. But this is how you set up your IQSend. I mean, your trading view. This is how you set up your trading view. Here to the right, if you see all these numbers, you can right click here, go down to labels and remove label and financial value labels, and it cleans it up. Now you can see the countdown is it's a lot cleaner. So here to your right, you're going to be adding all your currencies here, and I will show you how to do that after we go to IQSend. You're going to go to IQSend, and you can actually look at the link below. You can click on the link, and it'll bring you to IQSend too. So once you go to IQSend, and here it is. So then you'll come here, and you can click on login or start trading now. Okay. John, and surname is your last name, Jackson. And then you put your email, your password, and you log in. And this is how you set up your IQSend. Once you're in your IQSend, show you here. Okay. Once you're in your IQSend, you're gonna go to funds, and you could because here is gonna be your balance, and here it's gonna be 0 when you first start. So you go to fund, and you go to account funding, and here you come here and you can put the amount you want to add into your account. Once you put the amount you want to add into your account, say I'm gonna put $1,000. You can take the bonus or you don't take the bonus. There's a bonus policy. Whatever the bonus is, you got to make a certain amount to be able to do the withdrawal. If you want to be able to withdraw right away, then don't take the bonus. So take the bonus here, and you can put in a promo code to get additional added bonus money to give you more leverage. And then you want to come here to Bitcoin. You go to Bitcoin, you click fund the account. Just get the fund the account. This will come up with a Q code. You can scan this, or you can type in you can copy paste, don't type it. Right? Copy paste this into your Cash App, your Coinbase, or Bitmart, whatever exchange that you're using to fund your account. Once that's done, then actually the funds will be there, and then you can start trading. And these are the 3 accounts that you need: your trading view, your roadmap, and IQSend, and you can start trading. And we have other videos that show you how to use the roadmap, and other videos that explain the indicators, how they work, and video explaining how to use the broker. Thank you.